Hello everyone, we have developed a fabulous seller shipping module through which you can provide a great functionality to your sellers. With the help of this module, sellers can create their own shipping methods and can set their own shipping rates. To start with, admin has to log into his backend. He will write his email address, then the password, and then login. Once the admin is logged in, he can see the PrestaShop dashboard. He will go to the modules and services. Then click on the add a new module. He will choose the zip file and then upload the module. Once the module is uploaded, the admin can install the module on the PrestaShop store. After installing the module on the store, the admin will be redirected to the configure page. From here, admin can assign all their shipping methods to their products. By default, in PrestaShop, all the shipping methods are applicable on products if shipping method is not specified on the product. As you can see, in this product, we have not specified any shipping method. So when a customer will add this product in his cart, then he can see all the shipping method. When seller has created their shipping methods, then admin will see all the shipping methods including sellers on their products. And to assign their own shipping methods on products, they have to manually assign their shipping methods to each product separately. To simplify this process, we have given a sign button in configuration of the module so that admin can assign their own shipping methods to their own products. Admin has successfully assigned his shipping methods to his products. Now sellers can log into their account at front end. They will go to the sign in. Now seller will write his email address and password and then sign in. Once the seller is logged in, seller can see a new tab that is shipping method in my shop account. Now seller will click on shipping method. From here, seller can add new shipping methods to his account. He will click on the add new button. Now seller has to fill the form to add the new shipping method. He will add the courier name, then the transit time, seller can give the grade to the couriers from 0 to 9. 0 is the lowest grade and 9 is the highest grade. Now from here, seller will choose the logo for his shipping method. Seller can provide their couriers tracking URL here. Seller will write at the rate where he wants that the buyer can write his tracking number to track the order. Now, seller has to set the price for the shipping method according to total price or according to total weight. Let's say seller has selected to set the price according to weight. Click on next. Here seller has to define the range in weight. At any point seller can go to previous page and change the settings. Now he will select according to total price. Click on next and now he has to set the range in price. Once the seller wants to set the shipping rates, seller can add the handling cost to the shipping method. This is the handling charge which has been set by the admin and it will be added to the seller shipping method. Seller can also set the shipping as a free shipping method. Now seller will write the range. Let's say the minimum range is 0 and the maximum is 10,000. For this seller has written the shipping rate 30 for all the countries. Even seller can set the rates for particular countries also. Now click on next. Now seller has to specify the packaging details. Let's say the maximum package length is 30 centimeter, width is 30, depth is 30 and weight is 50. And click on finish to create the shipping method. Seller has successfully created the shipping method and added the basic price for the method. Now seller can set the impact price for the shipping method. Impact price of the shipping method can be set country wise, state wise. Let's select the zone, country, and then the state and click to add impact price. Now seller has to specify what rate he wants to give the shipping method in this state. Let's say 20 and click on submit. Now seller has successfully added the impact price. When seller will go to the shipping method tab, he can see the created shipping method here, but the status of the shipping method is pending. Initially shipping method will be in pending stage only. The admin has to approve the shipping method from the backend. For that, admin will go to the backend, go to the marketplace management and manage seller shipping tab. From here, the admin can change the status of the seller shipping method. Now, the seller shipping method status has been changed and it is active. Now seller can add this shipping method to his products. To add the shipping method to his product, seller can go to the add product page and product list. He will go to the add product page. Seller can see the shipping tab. He will click on it. Since we have not added any product, so seller will get this message that before adding shipping method, he has to add the product. Now seller will go to the product list. From here, seller can set the shipping method to the products in two ways. One is assign shipping tab and one from editing the product. From the assign shipping tab, seller can add one or more than one shipping method to all the product at once. You can see we have created only one shipping method, so seller can see only one shipping method here. Once he click on the checkbox and click on the submit button, this shipping method will be added to all the products in his list. Now, to provide the shipping methods individually to the product, seller will go to the edit page of the product. He can see the shipping tab. He will go to the shipping tab. Now from here, seller can set the packaging detail of the particular product. Let's say 10 and then he can select the courier and update it. Seller has successfully updated the shipping method to the product. In this way, sellers can create their shipping methods and can set their own shipping rates and can assign their shipping methods to their products individually as well as to all products at once.